Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk. We want to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside.
Yes!
Soundcore Motion X600. This is a Bluetooth speaker with wireless high-res spatial audio, 50 watts sound, IPX7 waterproof, pro equalizer, built-in handle, AUX in, portable speaker for home, office and outdoor. This is what we have here: immersive spatial audio inspired by theater acoustic Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker. It has 5 drivers and 3 amplifiers positioned to deliver sound all around you. You feel like you are in the room with your favorite artist every time you press play. The 50 watt sound will fill any space with rich, high quality sound that bring music to life. Portable and lightweight. It's easy to carry between rooms to transform any part of your room into an immersive listening space. Simply relax and listen without worrying about Motion X Bluetooth speaker getting wet. 12 hours of playtime. Keep listening to music podcast for days with zero battery anxiety. Going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it help you to make an informed choice. Nice. This is brilliant packaging. Nice packaging. This is the C cable information pack. I like the packaging with recycled stuff. Nice. I like the color. See what it looks like. Speaker, you switch it on and off on this button. This is a Bluetooth button, so you switch this speaker off and on from this button. Once you switch it on, and this button is Bluetooth button. This button is spatial sound button. Spatial sound button. This button is bars up, so switch it off and on from this button. This is for you to decrease, minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is pause and play. This button is for you to increase the volume. I like the front metal grill or aluminum grill if you like. I would say grayish in color, very lightweight. To set this up, first of all, I need to charge this speaker with the power cable. So charge it up, connect this C cable to the power and connect this end to the back of the speaker, and from this you see the charger and AUX port goes in here if you want to listen to music from AUX. So connect the power cable to the charger, then connect this end to the socket. Showing us charging light here. Switch on this light. Brilliant. I'm going to show you how to hook this up with AUX cable. This speaker is connected with my phone via Bluetooth, but I'm going to disconnect the Bluetooth. You can see the Bluetooth is off. Now I take the AUX cable, go at the back and connect it to the AUX, push it inside, then take this end of the cable, connect it to the phone. So go to your phone, go to wherever you have music on your phone, then select the music. Going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound, then you select. If you remove the cable, the music will no longer be playing. This speaker is nice. If you want to have control for the equalizer, then you need to switch the Bluetooth on and go to your phone setting, go to Soundcore, open up the Soundcore app, then connect the speaker and it's connected. Then now you go to the Soundcore so that you can have control, and this is the speaker here. Then you select the equalizer, so now it's in Bluetooth.
That would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see.
So this is AUX cable. If you remove it, the music will no longer be playing. You can have this speaker in AUX at the same time in Bluetooth. If you want to have a lot of control for the equalizer, you can do this also from the app by going to Soundcore app. If you go to the Soundcore app, make sure the Bluetooth is on. Then it gives you option for you to select the particular equalizer. You can also customize it. You select particular preset equalizer you like. So this is balance, treble, voice, extra bass, and Soundcore signature. Then if you connect this back, then you go back and select the music you want from Epidemic Sound. So you can connect this via Bluetooth as well as AUX cable. This speaker deserves your attention. I'm happy with it. Thank you very much. I like this speaker. I'm happy with it. It's value for money. Lightweight. I like the handle. This speaker deserves your attention. You can hook it up just like we did via AUX and Bluetooth connection. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.